So this picture doesn't really need much in terms of correction. My biggest complaint is the cortex, which is above this arcuate artery and vein, is almost the same color as the medulla. So I would like the cortex to be lightened and the medulla to be darkened, and almost see how they're like getting lighter and darker as they go down. Have it a gradient effect like that. I don't think my gradient tool is going to work. Is it going to work? Sort of like that, but in reverse. So this would be towards the arcuate artery and vein and darker as you move down, but not pitch black like that. So maybe more like that. So lighter and we get down. This is actually a nice color. I unfortunately accidentally just selected random colors here, but I like this color better than the combination it has right now. So that's the color up here, then the color down below is this color. So top color, bottom color. My second issue is I'd like this efferent arteriole to come out more, and it really needs to be thinner than the afferent arteriole right here. So this just needs to come out more. And you don't need to draw it all the way to the loop or the proximal and distal convoluted tubules, but it should come out that you see, oh, this is going to lead to the capillary blood supply. Then what also bugs me about this picture is this thin loop here is a different color than everything else. And at first I was just going to be like, oh, just make everything the same color. But I was thinking, since we're learning the parts of the nephron, make these different things: proximal convoluted tubule, descending limb, ascending limb, distal convoluted tubule, different colors. So maybe make the proximal convoluted tubule, I see what they did there, blue. Then let's do a contrast color. Red's probably not a good color. Here's the descending limb. Then we are going to get to the ascending limb and do the same color combination on this one. And then finally, we have the distal convoluted tubule. And blue and red are not good choices. This blue now looks like I'm going to the vein. This red looks like it's from the artery. There I made the descending limb purple and the distal convoluted tubule orange. So same thing over here. This would be the distal convoluted tubule. I'm never going to find the same colors. This is the proximal convoluted tubule. This is very therapeutic. Then we have the descending limb. And again, we're going to have a thin and thick part of it, so keep the thicknesses. And then this is the, oops, that is the ascending. So that's pretty much my changes for this. It's not that much. It's more, again, the gradient and the color they picked. This should be a darker gradient than up here. Like definitely, even this part is darker than up here. So thank you.